Hello my friends, this is Chef Maria Cata, and today I want to give you some tips about how to minimize your waste and maximize your budget. And then we're going to show you the best way to freeze your vegetables and your food so you can use it later on and repurpose it. Now, like the first tip is like you have to wash them, clean your vegetables, and remove any leaves or anything that is not edible. Second, slice it. Slice the vegetables, cut them at your preferred cut, and you can freeze them and use it for later for different preparations. Also, like I said, like prepare all your ingredients, clean them and remove the parts that are not edible so you can freeze them. Also, you can cut them in slices so they're ready to use for different preparations. Try to prepare them as much as possible. It's a mise en place that is going to be in the freezer, and you can freeze all your veggies. Also, keep your celery sticks frozen. You can use it for soup and different ingredients. And when you buy a lot of cheese, you can cut them in the amount that you want to use later on. Also, like keep it frozen and be able to take them out as you need it. And stay tuned for tips like this, and see you later.